Do not inhabit a country where you are not respected, cannot earn your livelihood, have no friends, or cannot acquire knowledge. He who befriends a man whose conduct is vicious, whose vision impure, and who is notoriously crooked, is rapidly ruined. If you were to choose between an evil person and a snake to keep company with, opt for the snake. Because the snake will bite you only in self-defense, but the evil person will put a bite for any reason and any time or always. There are only two ways of dealing with the evil persons or thorns. Crush them under your boot or stay far away from them. Too much beauty got Sita kidnapped, too much ego got Ravana killed, and too much charity got Raja Bali in deep trouble. So too much of anything is bad. One should refrain from too much. There is no present and future of the lazy,